Hi artists, and welcome to another Peiloff paint along video where we paint, peel, and create something together. Today, we're making these perfect pumpkins using analogous colors. Analogous colors are 3 or 4 colors next to each other on the color wheel, like yellow, yellow-orange, and orange. They blend smoothly and look harmonious together. You can layer them to build values. Use darker colors for shading and lighter colors for highlights. Perfect for making something like a pumpkin glow. For this project, you'll need canvas paper or panel, your Peiloff pumpkin stencil, paint tools like brushes or sponges, paint in shades of purple, blue-purple, and blue, as well as yellow, yellow-orange, and orange, a cup of water, paper towels, and a palette if you plan on mixing your colors. It also helps to have something to keep your workspace clean, like newspaper or a tablecloth. First, place your pumpkin stencil on the canvas and press it down lightly so it sticks. Make sure you rub the edges to make sure that no paint slides underneath. We're going to use the blue, and purple to create the background first. Using the 3 analogous colors helps to build values. Darker shades create depth, while lighter shades create areas that feel closer. Build them together softly and let the colors flow together. This technique gives your painting dimension, and the calm blues and purples will make your pumpkin stand out beautifully later. Once the background is dry, gently peel off the stencil using your nail or the spatula included with your stencil. You can place it back on the backing paper so you can save it and reuse it for another project in the future. Now your pumpkin shape is protected and ready to paint using yellow, yellow-orange, and orange shades. Analogous colors again. Layering these shades slowly builds value and gives your pumpkin a 3-dimensional look. Start with a base of yellow. When you add your next color, the yellow-orange, you're going to make sure to leave the yellow exposed on the parts that catch the most light. These are your highlights, usually on the top ridges. This is going to be the general color of our pumpkin. We'll add orange on areas where shadows naturally fall, like the edges or the curves between the pumpkin ridges. These are your shading areas, which make the pumpkin look round. Beginner painters, notice how using colors that are close together on the color wheel creates harmony, while the contrast between your pumpkin and the background makes it pop. Remember, you can reuse your stencil for more pumpkins or other creative projects. Check out Peiloff.com to get your pumpkin stencil, and don't forget to subscribe for more paint-alongs and beginner tips. Show us how your pumpkins turned out by tagging us on Facebook or Instagram or even TikTok at Peiloff Painting, Peiloff Painting. Thanks for painting along.